Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to launch a game like Fortnite, Apex Legends or any online multiplayer title and you are getting an error about easy anti-cheat not installed, or if the game just won't open, you are not alone. There are many games that require easy anti-cheat to run properly, and sometimes it doesn't even install automatically or it gets corrupted. So the good news here is that you can easily download and install it yourself in just a couple of steps. No technical skills needed. In this video, that's exactly I'm going to show you how to actually install or repair easy anti-cheat on your Windows PC using simple steps that anyone can follow. But before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links in the description of all of the resources mentioned in this video. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to simply just locate the easy anti-cheat setup file. Most of the time, easy anti-cheat is already included in your games file. You just need to launch its installer. So here is how you can basically do it. First of all, you need to open your launcher. It can be Epic Games or Steam. Then you need to go to your library. In your library, you need to just right click on that particular game which you want to which you have installed, then go to manage, and over here you will see the easy anti-cheat option. You can also click on the folder section, and from there you can just try to find easy anti-cheat underscore setup.exe file, and this will launch the easy anti-cheat installer tool. The second thing that you need to do is you need to ensure that the EAC launcher is closed. If you are unsure if the launcher has been closed, you need to restart your computer, and this will close any running program or process. Then you need to launch your game. It can be Fortnite or any other game, and when you are asked to actually install easy anti-cheat, you just have to simply do that. If you don't get prompted, you will need to manually install it using, if you have installed Fortnite somewhere, you just have to go to the default area and find easy anti-cheat underscore EOS file. So you can just search for it as mentioned in this page. Then you need to go to your local files. In your local files, go to program files. There you will see easy anti-cheat underscore EOS folder. You need to right click on that and create a shortcut. It may ask if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, so press yes. Now you need to right click on its shortcut and go to properties. In your properties, you will see this type of box where in the target box, after the existing text, you need to add the word install proof-fn without any quotes, just like so, and this text will actually going to show in your path. So the path is this. Then you need to install it and apply the changes and press OK. Double click the shortcut and now the windows will open, but easy anti-cheat will be installed itself. So this was the second step of installing it in your device very easily, and this is from the official website of epicgames.com. Now you can even try to restart the game. So you need to close your installer and your launcher, and then you need to just simply restart your PC or your laptop, then launch your game as usual. If anything went well, the error shouldn't be gone and your game should start without any issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.